Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today it's cold, the leaves are falling. I'm outside and I want to make Baigan Choka today. I just decided to do it outside on the stove. Never mind, it's a bit windy and chilly out here. If you want good tasty food, you have to make the sacrifice. So yeah, join me as I prepare my Baigan Choka. Here I have 2 large eggplant, Baigan, whatever you want to call it. And I have some tomato, onion, garlic, and green onion, and 1 hot pepper. I'm going to put some slit into the Baigan or eggplant and put the garlic inside. And I'm going to proceed to put it outside on the stove to roast. So here I'm just going to put some slit, as I said, here, just a few, so I can put the garlic in there. On the bottom here, I always put like a double slit because it's tougher here and it's harder for it to roast. So it's easier when you put the slit. So I'm going to do the same thing on the next one. Put some slit in there. Again, I'll just put some more slits, as many slits as you want. So I'm going to put a lot of garlic in here. I'm just going to peel some of the garlic, maybe all of it. I'll see as I go along. If you want, you can also like just cut the head of the garlic off, wrap it with foil paper and put it to roast. But I like doing it this way. But you can do it whatever way it's comfortable for you. So I'm going to continue doing this until I'm finished with every one of them, and then I'll come back. So eventually I just peel all of the garlic and I'm just going to push them right into the slit. Sometimes it's a little difficult, just gotta get it in there. Force it in. You can put more than one if you have the space. Put in as many as you can, because the more garlic it have, the better it tastes. So that's why I made all the slits, because it's too big. Baigan too, right? Tastes yummy when there's lots of garlic in here. Gotta put your back into it. Just work on this one now, and I'll do the same thing. I'll just put all the rest of the garlic into the slits. Last and final one, right here it goes. There you go. I'm done stuffing all the garlic into the Baigan, and now I'm just going to take it outside and put it on the stove. So I'm outside and I'm just going to light up the stove here. It's windy, so I have to give this some time for the flame to go all the way around. Because you know when you're cooking outside how it goes. There you go. So I'm just gonna put the baigan just like this right onto the fire. It's windy, you can hear it, it's windy and it's cold here in Canada. So as my eggplant is roasting, I'm just swinging away out here in this cold, windy, breezy day. Yeah, I have my husband behind the camera. He's a cameraman for today. Babes, maybe we should get like a cold beer, no? What do you think? Too early? It's not early, that early, it's 3 o'clock. Alright, my husband said when I finish cooking, then I'll get a treat. Until then, I have to wait. That's alright. Now I'm just gonna give it a turn. You see, it's a too fat baigan, so it's gonna take a while to cook. So I like to see the ends takes longer. So I'm just gonna move it over the flame. So now I'm just gonna put the tomato to roast as well. While the baigan is roasting, I can do this at the same time. So I'm just gonna put some oil, rub it all over, wrap it up. Hey, I can even put this pepper inside as well. Why not? One big job. And I'm gonna go put it out on the stove. I'll put the tomato there to roast. And I'm gonna give this a turn. Guys, I convinced my husband for us to have this cold course light. It's cold and chilly here in Canada. I just can't wait. I need something to warm up my soul. Cheers. There you go, guys. It's cooking away nicely. I can smell it. Guys, you can see it's almost ready. I'm just gonna give it like a minute or two more and this will be done, ready to peel. They're ready. Just gonna take them off, sorry. And boom, it's hot. I'm gonna go inside and peel it up. Okay, I left it for like 10 minutes to cool down, and now I'm gonna take off the skin. Sometimes I would cut it down in the middle and take a spoon and take out the meat, but today I'm just gonna do it like this. Here I'm done peeling this one, and I'm just gonna take it off from the head, and I'm gonna set that one aside and work on the other one. Goes the second one. I'm gonna do the same thing, take off the head and all the little garlic that came out. Just gonna put them back in there. Now I'm gonna proceed to mash it up. Now I have to peel tomato. Look at the roasted pepper. Don't worry with all of that. That's nice and smoky taste. It's very hot. Smells hot. Just gonna take off this peel, the skin. 1, 2, 3. So now everything is in here, and I'm just gonna give this a good mash. Mash everything together, the tomato and the hot pepper. So as you can see, this is all mashed. I'm just going to take it outside and fry the onions and green onions and come back and, well, I'll show you guys that. So let's go. I'm going to add some olive oil. When this is hot, I'm going to put the onions in and the green onion. In goes my onions, and I'm just going to cook this for a few minutes just to soften it up, and then I'm going to add the green onions in there. And give this a stir. Turn the heat down. I'm just going to go in with some basil. This basil is fresh from my garden. And now I'm going to go in with my mashed eggplant or baigan. Give this a mix. Maybe 1 minute, and this is done. Wow, it smells amazing. Looks good. I'll take this inside and plate it up. I'll come back to you guys what it looks like. I forgot the main ingredients: salt to taste. Now it's done. Guys, the Baigan Choka is done. What do you think? It smells good, tastes good. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Come back to see what I will make next. Bye.